to me, that was the last day I played cricket for India. मैंने रिटायरमेंट एक साल बाद ली, but the fact was कि that day I had retired. So अब जैसे हम लोग के ना वो कुछ machines वगैरह दिए जाते हैं and all of that. So every time I went to the trainer, I gave it back to him. He's like, no, you keep it. अब मेरे मन में मैं इसको कैसे बताऊं कि ये मैं अब जरूरत नहीं है, I won't be using it. In last 12 years or 15 years is playing cricket, and then there's no more chance of you representing your country. You know, it's a very big thing. डिफिकल्ट टू कंट्रोल एन इमोशन. एक क्लोज गेम जब आप हारे हो एंड इनसाइड मेरी प्लानिंग पूरी हो जाती है. सो टू मी दैट वाज द लास्ट डे आई प्लेड क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया. मैंने रिटायरमेंट एक साल बाद ली, बट द फैक्ट वाज कि दैट डे आई हैड रिटायर्ड. सो अब जैसे हम लोग के ना वो कुछ मशीन्स वगैरह दिए जाते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो एवरी टाइम आई वेंट टू द ट्रेनर, आई गिव इट बैक टू हिम. लाइक नो, यू कीप इट. अब मेरे मन में मैं इसको कैसे बताऊं कि ये मैं अब जरूरत नहीं है, आई वोंट बी यूजिंग इट. Because I didn't want to announce at that point of time. So yeah, once you're high on emotion, and the only thing you have done in last 12 years or 15 years is playing cricket, and then there's no more chance of you representing your country. It's a very big thing. When you represent your country, there are so much of people, but only a few get a chance to represent the country. So once I quit cricket, there was no way I would be representing my country. I'm an Indian citizen and all of that, but to represent, to bring some glory for the country back. So all those things, they are high on emotion at that point.